guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anas and today I'm going to tell you how you can connect an external microphone to your computer or laptop so you can get a better audio experience in recording videos or playing games or sending someone voice notes for apps like WhatsApp Web. So on my laptop, I use BOYA M1 mic which has only one port for headphones and a microphone. For recording audio, I will use the same port as the microphone, and for listening to the audio, I will use my laptop speakers. After I connected my mic with the laptop, I will go to the audio settings and select the right source for audio and speakers. And boom, we are done. All you need to select the right source and you are good to go with the settings. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions regarding troubleshooting issues with your microphone or speakers, please feel free to comment down below.